Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to my new series on how to make Zodiac rings. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe for lots more DIY wire, art, and jewelry making videos. So what you're going to need for this project is a ring cone, your jewelry pliers, and for this one I'm going to use 20 gauge a copper wire that I bought at Michael's, but you can use a slightly thicker gauge, 18 gauge, if your wire is kind of soft, you want it to be sturdy enough. So I have a couple of designs for the Taurus ring. This one's more simple, just with the shape like that. This one's a little more complicated. It sort of goes back on itself like that. So let's go ahead and take our wire, and we start with the round form at the bottom, just using the round pliers for that. I'll make this one a little bit bigger, and then all you have to do is just hold it with the round pliers, stick it up and across, okay, and up and across. This one is like super simple. You just put it on the ring form, bring it around to the back, and you can finish it how we did some of the other ones. This one won't be adjustable. The second one I'll make it adjustable. We just go like this, twist the two ends together very easily, clip them so you have enough just to bend them right together so they're going to be flush, and we're going to just do that. Push the ends in so they're not going to scratch, and then you can stick it on the ring form, adjust it how you need be, and there's a very simple Taurus ring. And then to make the other one that's a little more complicated, take your wire again, and right in the middle of the wire do your round form, okay, to get it started. Okay, and then we're kind of starting the same way we did the other one, so we're just going to hold it with the round pliers and stick it up, okay, and then form these. I guess these are supposed to represent little horns of the bull, so we're going to go like that. So this is your basic shape upside down. Whoop, there we go, perfect. And then what you want to do is bend these ends to the back. So this is just going to be a slightly different take on the designs. We're going to bend these to the back and then down, okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow this end and push it that way. Okay, sort of the opposite way. So let's do the same thing with this one. We're going to hold it here, push it to the back, and then kind of follow what we already did with the horns, and then push it the opposite way. So already you see what's happening. We have these that are going to form the ring band. Adjust it if you need to a little bit, and then we're just going to hold it on the ring form, bend this one to the back and this one to the back, and then let's finish this one off in a different way. The 20 gauge wire is a little bit thin to make adjustable rings, but we're going to go for it anyways. You can always use a slightly thicker wire. So we're going to do one loop sticking upwards, and the other one you can make it also sticking upwards if you want. It's just the bottom loop. You don't want it sticking down because it's going to jab into your finger a little bit. So let's just go ahead. This is how you make the adjustable one. Basically it's just a way to finish off the wire. I guess in theory you could leave the wire, leave the end, but it would maybe ultimately poke into your finger. So this is just a good way to finish it off without having it too bulky and without having it stick into your finger too much. So these ends I pressed in with my flat pliers so they're not pokey. This is going to go on the ring form again to adjust it, and you'll see this is how it looks on the back of the fingers. So we're going to stick it on your finger, and you'll see this sits on the back like that. And it is a little flimsy because it's 20 gauge, but you could definitely make it with thicker wire. Thanks for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art creations, be sure to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share photos of our work and get inspired by members of the group. And if you'd like to check out our Etsy shop, we make all kinds of custom wire art and jewelry on Etsy. And also, if you'd like to learn more about wire art and jewelry making, I have an online course where I teach all kinds of cool techniques, including how to make your own templates, how to make flattened bookmarks, and how to make really cool spiral beads. Thanks for watching.